Enhance the efficiency of your butcher shop or deli with Avantco meat saws. Available is either a 65-inch blade countertop unit or a 94-inch blade floor unit. These saws feature durable carbon steel blades with 3 teeth per inch for creating quick, clean cuts. Their thin designs also reduce waste by up to 30%. 2 and 4 teeth per inch blades are also available for purchase, allowing you to have precise cuts. The blades have heat-treated tips, meaning fewer changeouts. But when you do need to swap out blades, it's easy. Loosen the tension knob at the top, replace your standard blade, and you're set. Avantco meat saws are especially made for high-output commercial establishments. Each saw features durable, full-body stainless steel construction. The countertop and floor units have powerful motors, fast cutting speeds, and impressive cutting dimensions. For consistent results, turn the easy-to-use locking knob and adjust the built-in fence to your desired thickness. For added safety, these units feature a blade guard and an automatic shutoff switch that activates if you open the chassis while the saw is on. The floor model even comes with a push plate for superior handling and protection. Built for long-lasting use, Avantco meat saws are just what you need.